No matter if your Jeep is a daily driver or you like to hit the trails, the FullVUE rear camera mirror from Brandmotion is a must-have accessory for safety and a better driving experience. On the road, the FullVUE gives you an unobstructed HD view that is 3 times wider than traditional cameras. This allows you to see more of the road while keeping you safe. The FullVUE also has a front-facing camera with a built-in DVR to replace your traditional dash cams. The built-in G-Shock sensor automatically starts recording when triggered by an event, giving you that peace of mind if you're ever in an accident. Using the FullVUE is simple. From the main screen, you have options to start, stop recording, record sound, switch between cameras, and much more. The fully integrated touchscreen gives access to the menu where you can customize the FullVUE to what works best for you. Then, by swiping the screen left or right, you can switch between multiple camera views, giving you the control and the view that you need. As far as installation goes, there is some wiring and removing of panels. So, unless you're experienced with this type of installation, we recommend having it professionally installed. The FullVUE also comes with a 12-month warranty. If you're interested in purchasing the FullVUE rear camera mirror or looking to have it installed, check out the dealer locator in the description to find someone to help you out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.